I would like to introduce you our project about Mexico. Mexico is a coastal state with an area of 2 million square kilometers. There are 128 million inhabitants. The political system in Mexico is the Federative Presidential Republic, which was established in 1827. Spanish is a spoken language in this country, and peso is the currency in Mexican.
There are 2 active volcanoes in Mexico. The first one is Popocatépetl. It's 5,452 meters above the sea level. The next one is Tezcatlipoca. It is 5,646 meters above the sea level. It's the highest peak in Mexico.
Criminology in the recent years, crime in Mexico has been on the rise. Last year, the police recorded over 35,000 cases.
In the 15th century, there were nations that could match the level of Greeks. In the 16th century, the empire was conquered by the Spanish.
The saguaro is a large tree-like cactus of height 23.8 meters. The main occurrence of saguaro is in Sonoran Desert. It is normal in Mexico for people to wear. It is normal for people in Mexico to wear sombrero hats. Petroleum, uranium, natural gas, silver and gold are mined in Mexico.
Beans, corn and chili peppers are typical ingredients of Mexican cuisine. Corn, wheat, coffee and sugarcane are grown there. Jarada is the traditional sport in Mexico. Anička, do you know what is a jarada?
Yes, jarada is the traditional sport in Mexico. Kiki, do you know what is the highest peak in Mexico?
Yes, the highest peak in Mexico is Tezcatlipoca.
Katja, I'm wondering if you remember how I told you how many inhabitants are in Mexico.
There are 128 millions inhabitants. Tina, I have a question.
Okay.
What is typical hat in Mexico?
The typical hat in Mexico is sombrero, how we have right here.
Natka, I have a question. What is mined in Mexico?
Petroleum, uranium, natural, glass, gold and silver mined in Mexico. Vanessa, do you know how many cases did the police record dead over 35? Já jsem řekla tu odpověď. How many cases did the police record last year?
Last year, the police recorded 35,000 cases.
So this is our presentation. Thank you for listening.